Oh, my hair fell out. I had to cut it off. I was getting too handsome. So as you can see, we got more snow. A lot of snow, actually. It was a bit of a... it wasn't hard to get in here, but there was a few spots pretty deep. Skidoo had to work a little extra hard, but no issues. But because we only got about a week left of rabbit trapping, so I'm gonna go in here. It looks like the... Can't see... Oh yeah, a few rabbits been around. That's not rabbit tracks there though. Probably fox. Hard to tell. But all I'm gonna do now is reset the snares that I pulled on the pen sets, and just prep them up again and come and check them again now next few days. Hopefully we'll get some more rabbits. But basically I'm doing a camp out tonight at the cabin up on the ridge, but I don't have my common tick in tow because I need to break the trail and the sled first before I'm carrying any weight, especially going up that hill. I'm gonna have to beat it down a bit. So, but first we're gonna reset our snares. And as always, I got my shotgun with me in case we come across some birds. Lots of snow now. Can't believe I was complaining about not having enough. You can never have too much, can you? There we go. That's the second pen set fixed up. The rabbits are getting really shy right now this time of year, so I don't know. I don't know if we'll get any or not in the last week we have, but if not, then I'll be coming out and with the snowshoes, and I guess we'll be hunting with a gun. All right, I'll finish the next two pen sets, and then when we get to the cabin, I'll have to try to work my way up that hill somehow. Whew! What a beautiful day. I do want to say thank you to Al Collins at Al's Outdoors. I'll show you, his link will be in the description. But he sent me this, and he made that. You want to go check out the video of him making this. He's a very handy man. He makes a lot of real cool stuff. But this is a squirrel call out of a vintage shotgun shell, and he got it all lacquered and everything. It's beautiful. Unfortunately, right now I'm not catching any squirrels this time of year. They're really, you know, they're not moving a whole lot. I usually do most of my squirrel hunting in the fall, but I will definitely be using this to try to get some squirrels to call back. It's really, really cool. You can do a chatter. You can do the different sounds. I'm still learning how to use it, but my dog goes crazy when I use this. But thanks again, Al. I appreciate that very much, man. Whew. Now I'm stuck. There's no way I'm getting up here today, I don't think, with the comet taking toll unless I really beat this down. But now I'm stuck. I can't go forward or reverse, so now I gotta get to work. Whew. Way up here on this ridge, buried. There's so much snow in on the undercarriage, I can't lift it. Too heavy right now. I'm okay. We got a lot of snow. We haven't had this much snow all at once, I think, especially on this hill, the entire year. Just tipped her up on one side, packed snow underneath it, tipped her up the other side, packed snow underneath. Got her out, just took me time doing it so I don't sweat too much, but I'm still sweating. Whew. We're gonna abort the mission here. I'm not going to this cabin. Look. It's like up there where the ridge is. I gotta go between those two trees. That's like 4 feet of snow piled across there. I'm by myself way up here. I don't want to be too stupid. I mean, I want to be stupid, but not too stupid. So we're gonna go back down the hill. I'm gonna probably go back to the cabin we were at the other night, where I have a foot in. Oh, beard keeps getting caught in zipper. Well, now we're having fun. You see weather coming off in the distance, huh? Hills are starting to disappear. Alright, let's head on down. We'll have to, chances are the trail to the other cabin's not cut either, so we'll go do that. At least that's level ground. I'm not having to dig out on a steep hill. Nature's ice cream. Ooh, yellow ice cream. I tell you one thing, I'm beat out. I'm gonna head back to the house now that I know the trail's broken out here. Someone already came out this way, so it's not too bad. I'm gonna go home, pack up stuff, and then get ready to come back here. Might be coming back a little bit later instead of right away, because my kids are getting off school and I want to see them and that. So, and we'll be back out here again tonight for a late supper. Well, first things first, we got to get a fire going. We've lost daylight for the most part here now. It's really dark in here, as you can see. You can't even see around here. But I'll get the fire in there and get the lamp on. Let's get the lamp on first so I can see what I'm doing. Well, it seems to be working so far, but there's some flame shooting at the bottom of them. Oh well. There she's going. These are scrunchions, which is cured pork fat. Newfoundland would call them scrunchions. They're known as all different names all over the world. But that's what I'm using to render down the fat a little bit so I can then cook the pork chop. Mashed potatoes with mushroom and onions and gravy on it, and a pork chop, and a few scrunchions. It's a late supper. What time is it anyway? 9:30. Well worth the wait though, especially after this day getting stuck and everything else. Oh, that's good. Oh, that mashed potatoes with the gravy. Look at that. Perfect. Cheers. Everything always tastes better when you're out in the cabin. Well, I decided to fry up some like a midnight snack here. Actually, it's past midnight, but I had some blood pudding. I was putting some scrunchions in there to render it down for the oil, and I took this fork right here to press down on the scrunchions, and it wasn't engaged. The lock there wasn't engaged. It folded on me, and my hand punched that, and it dumped all the hot oil on the back of my hand. As you can see the skin there, see how it's wrinkling? It's starting to tear and peel. Wow. It's gonna be a long night. It hurts a lot. Oh well, nothing we can do about it now. I did, however, run over here, kick the door open real quick. I kick it open, I yank it open. And you can see where I stuffed my hand inside the snow. What a cool spot out here. Just darkness across the field. It's snowing now. There we go. Sleeping bag laid out on the pad. And it, we're gonna sleep with that over us because there's a lot of water dripping from the roof all over the place. Why the floor is still so wet. Oh, the heat from that's hurting that hand. Woo! Hear that? Drip. I should be nice and warm in there though. Don't worry, I'm not gonna suffocate. It's all open up on the top. Just keeping the water from dripping on me. Man, that light is bright. Whew, let me turn it down a little bit. Nope, SOS. That's it. I'm just gonna settle down here now, and I don't know if you can see those blisters forming there. Man, some state of it. Anyways, I'm gonna go on to sleep there now, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. I slept in. That's fine. I needed it. Check out my hand. Look at that blister. Yuck. What a beautiful day. Snow's really coming down there now. No wind or anything though, so not too bad. Well, I'm gonna get the skidoo going there, and I'm gonna do my round there and check my rabbit snares, see if we got anything, and come back and make some breakfast. So let's get going here. Well, no rabbits, obviously.
I think I'm gonna end up having to pull my pen sets. There's only a couple days left of a rabbit snaring season, so for snaring anyway, hunting with a gun, I can do that for another month. So I might have to start doing that. Go on the prowl looking for them because they just don't want to go into pen sets. They're getting shy now. Blood pudding, scrunchions, mashed potatoes, and mushrooms and onions, man. It's a good breakfast. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the peace for a little bit. Have my coffee, finish off my breakfast. And I hope you guys like this one. I'm sorry we didn't get up to the other cabin. I definitely tried, but it wasn't worth killing myself over and getting stuck and, you know, asking for help. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.